Coordinates confirmed, Captain. The sonar signature matches. It is right below us.
Visibility is less than 5 meters. Approaching target depth now.
Easy. Bring her in steady. Do not let her swing.
The saltwater ate through the outer plating, but the core lattice is surprisingly solid.
This alloy formula, they do not make steel like this anymore. We will have to forge a custom match.
It is not just about the metal, Aiden. This crane built half this city. We are not just fixing a machine, we are honoring history.
She is ready to work again.
Hey, Buzz Holland. Good job, everyone.
Hydraulics green. Slewing gear lubricated. She is ready for the heavy haul.
Wind is gusting at 20 knots, Captain. We are approaching the safety limit for a load this size.
Copy that.
We proceed, but keep it slow. If the sway exceeds 2 degrees, we abort.
Tensile stress is rising. Come on, hold together.
Stabilize! Stabilize!
Down easy. 5 feet. 3 feet. Load secured. Beautiful work.
It was lost to the sea, written off as wreckage. But today, the iron giant of the harbour is back on the job.
Jun, Maya, we have a squall front hitting in 10. Secure the storm brakes.
Starboard lock and gate.
Fin shear is peaking. Don't fight it, big guy. Just flex.
The new cables are holding. She's stronger than she looks.
Stress levels returning to normal. We made it.
Storm's gone. Let's get that cargo moving.
Easy. And touchdown. Perfect alignment.
Power consumption is down 15%. She is running smoother than the day she was built.
From the bottom of the ocean to the top of the skyline. For Channel 4 News, I'm Aiden Cole.
We brought her back from the dead. Not bad for a month's work.
Take care of her. She's a good ship.
but I stand eternal, a sentinel.
Still clean, not a spot of rust on her. She behaves better for you than she ever did for Elias.
Easy now, just a little further to the left. You are clear.
Running hot, but within limits. Stay cool, girl.
Hey there. You picked a busy spot for a home.
It is clear of the moving parts. As long as we don't grease this section, they can stay.
Morning, crew. Eat up.
Empty nest syndrome, John.
Another good year. Where's that?
Computers can't feel the wind, but we can. Ease it left.
"5 years without a single breakdown. You built her to last, Maya."
Good steel only gets stronger with age.
He doesn't need anymore.
Day one. Let's get to work.
Grid is down. Time to wake up the diesel backup.
We are the only game in town tonight. Let's move this cargo.
The automated terminal is still rebooting. You cleared the whole manifest by yourself.
Fancy chips fry, but steel and gears, they just keep turning.
All right, everyone say heavy lift.
boring. Just the way I like it.